Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's KionnaSharice, and today I'm here to do an unboxing, which you've probably seen from the title. Coming to y'all very much plain today because I need to do this before I take my hair down and etc. because of some other things, but regardless, I am here to unbox a wig from Kembeckled Wigs. This is a new wig line from a cosplayer, content creator. Now I know her name is Becca. Her name is, I'll just write it right here because I don't know how to say it. I don't know if it's in reference to something. I don't know, but I know her name is Becca. So yes. Hey y'all, so I just checked their profile to get that picture and I saw that they had they them pronouns, so I didn't know that, and you'll hear me say her and she throughout the video, so my bad on that. I know now. And don't mind, well, you can only see those clothes because that's for a future or past video. This is like the third video I'm filming that I haven't edited anything, so I have one to film tomorrow. But yeah, I started following Becca, I'm pretty sure last summer, and she has like a signature pink wig that she wears often, and people were asking her like, where'd you get that wig? And she decided, y'all like my wig so much, I'm gonna make a line of wigs. So it's like, okay, because they're natural hair, curly fro wigs. They come in lots of colors. And I like that on the site, for each color, they have suggestions of people you could cosplay as. So I think that's pretty nice. So this was her second launch. She added more colors than from the first launch. I was hoping for a bright red because it's someone I want to do, but she didn't have that. So that was fine. So I ended up getting a white wig because I would like to do Killua soon-ish. So first of all, we have the box. This is her logo and it's all around. Yes, website. And you should follow their social media if you're interested, because the way they've been doing the launches so far is they'll have a launch date, and then whenever they sell out, they just sell out, and they'll have another launch date when they restock. That's kind of the way it's going right now. So if you want to know when those launch dates are, follow them. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like show the box. Let me do an unboxing. So it just folds open. It doesn't mail like this. It mails inside of another box, FYI. Okay, we open it. First thing we have is some things. Let's look. We have a sticker of the logo. That's cute. We have a thank you card with a coupon code for next time, and just a request to hashtag them if you take pictures on social media. Standard. And we have, ooh, okay. First we have things to know before you fro. I meant to watch because she did actually do a TikTok, or probably TikTok and Reel, of how to take your wigs out the package and stuff, but I'm realizing right now I forgot to watch it before this. But here is your hair care guide. First, shake, shake, shake to help separate the curls that have been smushed during shipping. Remove the excess hairs hanging onto the wig. This is not shedding, but stragglers from production. And if you need more volume, fluff out the hair with your hands. And for maintenance, store your wig on a mannequin or wig stand to maintain its shape, and only wash when necessary, and then customize, cut it as you want. I don't think I have time to actually shape the wig today. I do have a video on how I shape my wigs that I did like several months ago, so I will link that if you're interested. But also we have a hairnet cap inside. I actually have not put on a wig since I moved into this apartment. If y'all were watching my channel months ago, I had on wigs all the time because my hair wasn't really out, but my hair has been out more lately. But because I had found, I have this one. Sorry in advance, I have no idea where I got it from, but it's a satin lined wig cap. And I like it that it's satin lined, but it can be kind of hot because it's kind of a lot. But since a hairnet was included, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put it on. And here is the wig and the packaging. Don't want it to crinkle too much. Like I said, I did get the white wig. All of the wigs are named. I actually think this one is named Killua, and all the other wigs are named after popular anime characters. One who you could cosplay as, but of course you could do whatever. but it comes in a hairnet thing. It's quite, we got a big girl here. Oh, also I forgot, you could order the wigs in like normal head size or big head friendly, which I think was like 2 inches more on the circumference. So I got that because the only reason, well, I won't say the only reason, but one of the reasons I don't wear wigs really all the time when I feel like it is because they're tight. So I'm hoping this is really big head friendly. And people try to say I don't have a big head like my friends, but it's like, girl, have you seen me try to put on a hat? Because and some of them wigs, like I actually bought a pink wig after I saw her pink wig. It's I don't know, I did a video here, I had some pictures. Anyways, it's more like a loose wave, but it barely, like, these edges are out because it doesn't, I feel like we can't get forward because it's too small. But let's get into this. Now, I'm not a wig connoisseur, so I can't really do like a in-depth review, you know, as far as construction and things, like, I don't know. But we have that inside of the dome. The dome? The dome. This is how the inside is constructed. If this means something to you, we have comb right here, and there's not one in the back, but we have this elastic band thingy. I don't really use that in my wigs, but I guess I'm not actually really sure like why it's in there, because yeah, it's 2 of them, so I guess I could take it out but why would I take it out? I don't know. We're just gonna leave it as is, and this is the wig straight out the pack. It's definitely, this is gonna be some big hair, I can tell, because it just looks flat. It looks bigger than other wigs I have. So I'm just shaking it a little bit. I'm not sure how exactly I want it to look, so I do not want to mess up the curl pattern just yet, though I probably will, you know, run my fingers through it to make it a little less perfect. But let's say, which side is the front? Yeah, that's the front. It does feel a little tight off bat. I definitely wouldn't have made it with the normal one, but I am wondering, because my hair also isn't that flat, but that's pretty much all I do for my wigs. So I'm just thinking out loud. I'm not gonna put in the clips right now because I'm pretty much about to take this off. But yeah, I guess this is what she means by stragglers, you know, all that's easily cut off when I do go to shape the wig. But this is, like, I'm just stuck at seeing the white color because it's very much, I've worn colors, but you know, out of the comfort zone, and it doesn't have any dark roots, which makes stuff more natural, but we're not going for natural. I'm just flowing here. I don't know. But this is what it's looking like. So, got a piece of hair in my eye. So what I would do when I do have time to shape it is I'll just take a little bit off the bangs, not much, and I'll just frame my face a little more. But that's probably just about it. I think this is cute. I'm trying to just, you know, when you just do something new to your hair, you're like, that's where I'm at right now. But as far as how the wig itself looks, I feel like it looks really full, nice curls. I'm trying to think, because it looks, maybe it's bouncing off the color of something else, because it's giving, it doesn't look pure white. That's what I'm thinking. It almost looks like can you see kind of some blonde in there? Is that just me? Or is it bouncing off just the light or something? I don't know. But anyways, guys, that's really about it. I knew this was going to be a quick video. I just wanted to put y'all on to a small Black woman-owned business providing things. Because you know what? I guess to really be a business owner, a lot of the times it's figuring out what the people need and providing it to them, because a lot of cosplayers, a lot of Black cosplayers, if they want to have curly froze, a lot of the wigs that you might find on Amazon or something, they're hit or miss. Some of them are okay, but some of them are giving clown. And she said, look, y'all want pretty colorful wigs and froze the way I wear them? I'm gonna give it to you. Okay, so it's like, I'm just admiring the business move, really. The more I sit here, I feel as soon as I cut this bang and just give me a little something, I know I'm gonna be into it. So look out for that. I don't know if I'm gonna film it or I may make a TikTok. I have no idea. But at some point, you know, I'll have this actually together to show y'all what it looks like. But I just wanted to put y'all on to business. And now I'm thinking, can I make my eyebrows white? I feel like I can, because other people do stuff with their eyebrows. All right, that's it, guys. I'm not gonna drag it out. Real quick one for y'all. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And is that it? Is that it? I think that's it. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.